Beautiful people, it's me, Pamela, on my YouTube. Cho, no, what's the T? Siyahlazia. Guys, Jonas, I don't think he's coming back, the interpreter. After that altercation with Atene Ramosipil, I was listening to the recording. After Jonas said, can we please listen to the recording, my lord? I didn't say that. This is so unfair. Every time I'm talking, someone jumps up. I was just like, okay, guys. I think we'll have a disciplinary hearing at work. So we've got a new one. You know, sometimes I ask myself, Ubaloyi, guys, how much was he promised yes, at first with this case? And how much is he still getting paid? Ubaloyi, I'm telling you, he's not backing down. Like I've always said, Ubaloyi, 2 years ago, I said it around 2024. Ubaloyi, who die hard? Ubaloyi is just like, hey, I'm not backing down. I stays in the study, this guy, and studies this case and come up with things, and I've been looking in that it's just like Lalela, you're gonna have to do it until the end. And here at Madlanga, people are getting arrested. They came at ad hoc. No one. At Madlanga, stuff is happening. Madlanga, the judge is not playing with anyone. People are getting arrested. They don't even want to tell us these police officers that has been arrested. I'm just like the subs members. And but around the 360 million tend. Awucabangi mhlawumbe ukuthi ene usinona maybe angaba khona. I'm just thinking that's just my hunch around that. You know, I'm just like, hey, oh man. But you start to think, obviously, I mean, it's the one that came at Madlanga. You must just uzikhethele now i-top 3 yakho. I know. Ushuthi manje mhlambe futhi isenzo meya case must go to Madlanga. I had said it must go to ad hoc. Kuzoshesha, but no, ad hoc ngathi kenza kancane for me. Abantu ababoshwe, guys. This is just crazy. It goes on and on and on and on. Undanzi is just like, he's exhausted, guys. We're on our 4th week. Hayi ngeke ukhathele Undanzi. Manje bamfosta ngobuthelezi, guys. And it's just like not backing down. It's just like, umuntu onjani loyo ngimazelaphi mina lo muntu loyo. Maybe he might have known me and he comes up with stories ukuthi mina ngidlala ingoma ephosphorus mina. And the reason why Ubaloyi is doing that, ufuna nje ukuthi uHundanzi abe sephosphorus. He doesn't care how. Like ukubona leyo. Hi guys, these people need to stop. This is just not working. You know, Baloyi will only rest once Undanzi agrees ukuthi he was dancing for the Phosphorus team. And Undanzi amtshela ukuthi uGwabini stayed in Phosphorus, yes, in some hostel there. Yona le kaZungu that he made up. So uGwabini is the one who was dancing for Phosphorus. Yo, Baloyi, guys. And he's just taking his time. He doesn't give two hoots ukuthi sicabanga ngani, you know.
My
lord, I was not present regarding what Zungu was narrating here. Secondly, my lord, my first time to see, or my first day to see Zungu was when he came in this court to testify. Thirdly, the hostel that he's referring to, that Zungu is referring to, I do not know it.
Nekamera lendlu kaGwabini akhuluma ngayo mina ngiyazi uma noGwabini etshelile icourt mina ngimazi ukuthi uhlala laphi ngiqinisile ngumngane wempela ngimazi ukuthi uhlala laphi ekhona.
And even the room that belonged to Gwabini that he was talking about, I don't even know it. Yeah, Gwabini, it's true that he is my friend, but I do not know him. I do not know, pardon me, I do not know where he stays here in Gauteng area.
Yesterday, we referred to the evidence of Mr. Jack Buthelezi, where he testified that you used to dance for the Phosphorus team and that you performed around Gauteng.
Izolo ke sifundeke ubufakazi buka Buthelezi esho khona ukuthi who used to dance.
That the accused, that Mr. Mtanzi danced for the Phosphorus team and they dance around, they did traditional dance around Gauteng.
Oh, lapho echaza khona ke Buthelezi athi wena mangalelo wawumuntu owawugidela ke iqembu lase Phosphorus team.
Yes.
Lase Phosphorus.
Ngiphendulile le nkulumo phambi kwayizolo phambi kwecourt. Ngathi melona iqiniso ukuthi ngangigidela isiphansi sephosphorus.
I did respond to that yesterday before this court that it is true that I was dancing for the Phosphorus team.
Mina isipana ngisigidela sikhona sikaMasonto eCarletonville eEastern Fontaine.
The team that I danced for is present. Sika kwaMasonto.
Isipana umnikaziso baMasonto sikhona lapha eNkomponi eEast hayi kwePhosphorus.
Ngiphindele futhi ngizoyumusha kahle. Isipana wawusigidela.
Isipana bengisigidela.
The team that I used to dance for
Sikhona khona eNkomponi le ngangihlala khona.
it is present in the compound where I used to stay.
Azange ngigidela isipana sephosphorus Nkosi enkantolo.
I never danced for Phosphorus team, my lord.
Yesterday we referred you to page 61
Izolo siye sakhuluma ngekhasi 61
of Mr. Jack Buthelezi's evidence given on the 5th of September 2023
ubufakazi bukaMnumzana Jack
we will give you this, wherein it testified as follows. He said, Mr. Buthelezi, at line 7,
lapho uJack Buthelezi ayofakaza khona uMnumzana Buthelezi
says
number 7
because most of the time he would come referring to you, to Joburg, to come and dance, to traditionally dance.
ukuthi ke esikhathini esiningi wena wawuzwe eGoli okubizwa ngeJoburg wawuzela ke ukuthi esho
Then-
wena uzogidela ke umgido lo wesintu.
Then we asked him, do you know where he danced traditionally? Then at line 10, Mr. Buthelezi responded, the celebration of the song or the dancing would be done anywhere. However, he would go and do traditional dancing for the Phosphorus team.
Uyabuzwa ke kuthiwa ke uyazi ukuthi ke wayegidela kuphi uthi ke hayi ukugidela kweculo lelo kwakwenziwa noma phi kodwa ke wawugidela he would come and dance for the last part.
However, he would go and do the traditional dancing for the Phosphorus team.
Nanobe kunjalo ke wayeza ke egidele iqembu lase Phosphorus.
And we asked him, where did the Phosphorus team dance? He said, anywhere in the vicinity of Gauteng.
Wayesebuzwa ke kuthiwa lakitha phi ke leqembu lase Phosphorus athi noma phi ke endaweni yaseGauteng noma ngathi Goli phecelezi ngesintu.
Nkosi enkantolo isipana bengisigidela sikhona eCarletonville eEast.
My lord, the team that I used to dance for is present at the East